You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, well, this word really, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words and names that many get wrong, including from anatomy, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. It designates an unfilled space or a gap, and this is the plural version of the noun. Now, the singular is said either as lacuna in American English, or lacuna in British English. Now, the plural can be said either lacunae, or lacunae. It can also be said lacunae, or lacunae. So there are quite a few different ways of pronouncing it, but now you know them all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.